Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. This is step-by-step guide on how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra to an iPhone. Getting your smartwatch and smartphone to work seamlessly together is essential for a smooth user experience. First, we need to install the Merge app on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. If your Google account is associated with your watch, you can install the app directly from your phone or computer. Alternatively, simply open the Play Store on your watch and search for Merge. Once you've installed and opened the app, you'll be greeted by a welcome guide. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to set up permissions for notifications and Bluetooth, and will make sure notifications are set up correctly on your Galaxy Watch. Now, it's time to connect your Galaxy Watch Ultra and iPhone. Scroll down in the device list in the Merge app and select Add Another, which will make your watch visible to the iPhone. Just follow the on-screen instructions to pair the two devices. Once paired, a prompt will appear on your iPhone asking for permission to share notifications. Make sure to approve that, as this will allow your iPhone notifications and phone calls to appear on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. With everything set up, your iPhone notifications and phone calls will now appear on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Enjoy the seamless integration between your smartwatch and smartphone, and take advantage of the convenience it offers. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.